fire! What am I gonna do? What the fuck am I gonna do? Oh shit! Oh, smoke! Yo, put the mirror on over. Yo, put the mirror on over.
Can someone turn the heat on? Can somebody call Louie the Boiler Man?
Forget about those cold days. Just take me to the boiler room. I can't bring the warm days. Just take me to the boiler room. It's cold outside, no need to freeze. Call Louie the Boiler Man.
I wish.
Oh, you wish? Oh.
My wife will kill me.
Oh my goodness, this marijuana smells so good over here.
This is your brain on drugs.
Whoa! To everybody out there, so I'm a little bit about myself. I'm Louie the Boiler Man, the Hvac Poppy. I'm a YouTuber, and I'm over here to support the trades. And I'm over here at the Expo to network and meet you, guys like yourself. Tell me a little bit about yourself and what you do.
My name is Barry, and I own Safer Scape. Safer Scape is
Marijuana! No,
we save lives. That's what we do. We sell commercial fire escape. I'm sorry, residential fire escapes for homes.
For homes, okay.
Not those cheap throw-out ones that you find in every home, but the ones that save lives.
Can you show me? I'll give you a little demonstration?
Yes.
Okay.
Where's Aaron?
Right here. Aaron, where are you? Aaron!
Aaron's not there.
Aaron!
It locks from the outside. It looks like a downspout. You can't even tell what it is. It looks like a downspout from your gutter. Okay? In a fire, you guys stay here. Okay? Don't move.
Oh, there's a fire! There's a fire! What am I gonna do? What the fuck am I gonna do? Oh shit! Oh, smoke! Yo, put the mirror on over. Yo, put the mirror on over. All right. We need smoke. We need smoke. Oh. All right, that's right.
30 seconds the whole thing.
Bye-bye. But we're about what? Maybe 3 feet up? What happens when you're like 3 stories up? Is that ladder can hold me?
Exactly.
Can that ladder hold a gordito like me?
And you and your twin brother at the same time.
Wow, I got like a twin. I got like a twin right here.
I know. 2,000.
Whoa. Are you telling me I'm fat?
No, that's why I said. That's why I brought your twin
I'm just
brother.
asking.
That's why I brought you.
Just making sure.
No.
But like, if I'm 3 stories up.
Just my big boy.
But if I'm 3 stories up, 4 stories up, this thing will work, no problem?
No problem. It's the same thing.
Oh man.
It's exact same thing.
How about the one like the fireman when they grabbing the pogo?
You could do that.
Yeah, but that's be pretty scary because 3 stories up, shit, I'm afraid of heights. I go 1 story up, I'm afraid. I can imagine 3 stories up.
You want to get scared, you visit this next guy right here.
Yeah.
That's 7 stories. He lets you out.
Shit, oh my goodness. Well, guess what?
This is for people who want to buy a home, who own a home or want to buy a home and want to be safe.
Well, that's the bottom line, because safety is first. And of course, listen, when this fire literally in your ass, you got to go somewhere. So I think I'd rather take the easier way out. Scared or no scared, I want to save my ass, I want to save my family. So guys, if you're looking for something to save your family, support your family, and keep your family safe, tell me where you at.
Don't jump.
No jump, no bueno.
SaferEscape.com. SaferEscape. Safer Escape, just as it's spelled. And safety without compromise.
That's right, guys. So 1, 2, 3, whip-a!
Woo! Can somebody call Louie the Boiler Man?
Forget about those cold days. Just take me to the boiler room. I can't bring the warm days. Just take me to the boiler room. It's cold outside, no need to freeze. Call Louie the Boiler Man. New York Boiler and AC Repair.